Hey guys, let's start by opening up idle, the Python shell. Then we'll click File, New File, and now we can start writing our program. Sets in Python are a data type that is unordered and unindexed. This means that we have to use the name of a specific value in the set whenever we want to address it. To create a set, let's say continents equals, and we can identify a set with curly brackets. Open curly bracket, Africa, comma, Europe, Asia, and we'll also say Antarctica. I did do a bit of research to see if this was actually a continent. Apparently it is, and also a country. So if it isn't, just let me know in the comments below. Let's close the curly brackets. We can display the values in our set by saying print, followed by the set name. Let's run our program. And as you can see, our set contains the values Europe, Asia, Antarctica, and Africa. You can see that the set is unordered. Let's delete this. We can also print the length of our set. This will print a number correlating to the number of values within our set. You can do this by saying print len followed by our set name, which is continents, close bracket, let's run our program, and it's printed the number 4 because there are 4 values within our set. Let's delete this. We can add an element to our set by using the set name continents.add, open brackets, and then we can add another value. Let's say America, close brackets, and now when we print our set, we can see that the value America has been added to our set. I'm now going to show you how to search for and remove a specific value in our set if that value exists. To do so, we'll use a for loop and an if statement. We'll say for x in continents, colon, and then we'll write an if statement saying if x is equal to Antarctica, close bracket, colon, and then we'll say continents dot discard, open bracket, and then x, close bracket. To prevent a change of size error within the for loop, we'll say break to come out of our loop. What this for loop does, it cycles through all the values within our set. If it finds a value called Antarctica, it will discard it from our set. Basically, it will remove it. As you can see, this is a reference to global warming, as Antarctica might not be there in a few years. You can also use the remove function to remove a value from a set. Just remember that with the remove function, if the value that it's trying to remove does not exist within the set, then it will throw up an error. The discard function does not throw up this error. To show you the results, I'm going to print the set. So I'm going to say print continents, close bracket, and run our program. As you can see, it's removed Antarctica from the set. Asia, Europe, and Africa only remain. This concludes a basic introduction to sets. If you would like to see the full list of functions that you can use with sets, please see the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video as well. And I hope to see you around in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.